Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. In this next step, we're going to cut out some patches to add to our skirt. So, we're going to take our skirt and we're briefly going to flip it inside out. And we see this is how it's going to look. Very cute. So what we want to do is now we're going to cut out some patches to add around the skirt just so we can bring the whole thing together. You do want it to have that nice look of pants turned into skirt, but you also want to do something to tie the whole thing together. We're going to try to make this match with this. And the way to do that is we're going to take some of our excess fabric scraps and we're going to cut out a few shapes, and we don't have to apply them all, but you can cut out a few and move them around, and we're going to position them in a way so that they match perfectly, so that the whole thing ties together. You want to cut around the patches and you want to leave about 1/4 inch of fabric around the edge of each patch. You want to try to keep them as simple as possible. Then you're going to take your pins and you're going to pin your patches onto the spot where you want them sewn. And make sure when you're pinning that you don't get the other pant legs behind you. And here you have a basic idea of what your skirt is going to look like with the hem sewn in, of course.